First, open the auto hood. Check whether Angel Wings lights work. Next, remove the door casing. Then remove the mirror with a screwdriver. Unplug the mirror. Next, open the mirror. Then change the screwdriver to drill. Then drill a hole on a proper place. Remove the burrs with knife. Next, follow me to install line. Next, follow me to install the mirror back. Connect the positive and negative terminals to central control. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Plug back to mirror. Get the threads in order. Last, install the door interior house back. You can adjust the light's angle. Don't buckle it up until you adjust to the best angle. Let's have a look how it looked like after finishing.